I am so sorry. I am really messed up, and I want to deeply apologize to everyone that watched that travesty of a live stream 2 days ago. Man, I was acting like a fangirl, like a mother. And I apologize for that. Now that I have gotten a chance, there was, more buzz, more hype, and more leaks that I was not aware of because I had other shit to do. So anyway, I finally did read some of the specs on the Canon EOS R. And yeah, I'm not getting that camera. Not even close to getting that camera. That camera does not deserve to be gotten. Okay, first of all, I just wanted it mainly for the video functions. There are millions of cameras that can take phenomenal photos. Not to mention I shoot film, so it doesn't honestly get much better than that. Video is what mainly concerns me. So if you were in the camp, I want something that's going to take, just out of this world photographs, you can find that pretty much anywhere. But if you're looking for something that does great photos and has awesome video features at the exact same time with the added convenience of selfie recording and a touchscreen interface, this camera looked really effing promising. Like, there was a lot. I was like, I kept reading, just the initial leaks, and it just kept going, oh, that checks off a box, that checks off. Now we know a whole lot more. And it is not what it was. So, what do we do from here? I think the long and short of my story is that this one is out and the XT3 is in no matter what. I should have known better, really. I mean, Canon is one of those camera companies that absolutely refuses to give their high-end hobbyists and enthusiasts and their prosumer customers anything over and above. I mean, it's sad. I don't understand why they hold back, but, it's typical Canon, so none of us, not a single solitary one of us, should be surprised. I got a little excited because I thought, oh my god, I think Canon might have finally learned their lesson, but, they didn't. And I seriously doubt that they ever will. For me, it's going to be the Fujifilm X-T3. Fujifilm is not holding back anything. They genuinely like and appreciate their customers, and they are going balls to the wall when it comes to both image quality, feature sets. And let me just go ahead and make one other comment about the Canon camera. I think that if you're already shooting photos with something else, like, it's not like they're going to get much better. You might get some higher resolution, but first of all, you never print them out. So you're not going to miss any extra resolution or notice any extra resolution. You got viewing distances and everything else. It really boils down to which cameras are taking great photographs, but also have a sweet ass set of video features. Not just for the person that wants to shoot other things, but also for the people that are in the business of shooting videos of themselves. So, there's a lot you can get done with a lot of different systems out there, including phones like I'm shooting on right now. You can, shoot with some entry-level stuff. I really do think that the Canon EOS R camera, as far as video features go, it has almost nothing over and above what the Canon M50 does. Just doing a cursory scroll through here, I mean, it's got technically the 4K at 30p. The M50 is artificially crippled with the dual pixel autofocus and the phase detection. So that might be the advantage. But is that advantage, is the dual pixel autofocus in 4K worth $1,200? That's my dilemma. That's my question. I mean, it's really not even a dilemma. It really isn't. Most people, I've checked my own analytics, most people are consuming my media on a phone or a tablet, some sort of portable device, or some other device that I can't, read. The vast majority of people are consuming this content now more than ever on mobile devices. Actually recording the kind of content that I do in 4K doesn't make much sense. It bogs down my workflow. It decreases my process. If I'm doing something artistic, if I'm doing something creative for myself or for a client or whatever, then yes, I would want something a little bit higher in resolution so I had more to play with. But I've already got that. I can already shoot in 4K. I can already shoot in 1080p, 120 frames per second. You know what I'm saying? I've already got that. I was looking for the added convenience of the flip around screen and the touch screen, and I think I've already found that in the M50. So at this point, the EOS R is just out for me. So I'm going to be focusing on the upgraded specs that the Fujifilm X-T3 is going to be releasing. I think that that is going to be probably MVP crop sensor camera of 2000. Honestly, it's going to beat out a lot of full frame cameras, okay? It will. Y'all can be mad, y'all can be pissed. I'm telling you, full frame shooters, I was a full frame Nikon shooter. Nice dynamic range, because Nikon has always had great dynamic range, massive amount of lens selections, and I gave it all up for that smaller, lighter system of an APS-C. And I'm telling you, especially with the Fuji stuff, you're not going to miss it. You're really not. You honestly are not going to miss it. I promise you. So anyway, man, that's all I got. I just wanted to say that I am sorry. I am really effing sorry I acted like an unhinged schoolgirl in that live stream. And I should have never done that. Canon, I knew you'd do it. I knew you'd F all this up. Alright, guys, that's all I've got. I'm done. Canon, you F'd it up. I knew you would. Thanks for not disappointing. Peace.